Hey guys, it's Nani from Nani's Sewing Room. Come with me today. I'm going to make a travel accessory with this Hobby Lobby dish mat. Okay, lay your dish mat pretty side up, and I'm using some zipper by the yard here, and I'm going to hang about an inch over on each end. Pull the zipper apart, and you're going to put half of the zipper at the top and half of the zipper at the bottom. Be sure teeth are facing down, and you'll just sew those down. Okay, we've sewn the zipper on both ends. Now we're going to fold the zipper over, and it is thick, so you'll need to clip it down. And we're going to do a top stitch all the way across the top and all the way across the bottom. Now we'll put on the zipper pull. Now with it zipped up, we're going to cut a rectangle out of each corner. I have measured it 2 inches wide by 1.5 inches long, and I just cut out one, and then I use the one I cut out to cut out the other 3 corners. Now we're going to add the tabs. I just used some cotton webbing, folded it in half, and then we'll sew across the top of each. You can clip them if you want, but I go ahead and sew them. Then I clip them right across the top. Do that facing inward. Do that on each end. Now sew right across each end. Okay, then you're going to trim off the excess on each end after you've sewn that down. Now unzip it and turn it inside out. Now we're going to do a French seam on each end that we just sewed together. That way it'll enclose that raw edge. We'll do that on each end. Now you can turn it out and see that that edge is closed. Now we're going to box in our corners. Lay those flat, and you're going to sew that down about 1/4 inch seam allowance. Do that on all 4 corners. Now we have all 4 corners sewn. You can finish those raw edges by doing a French seam again like we did before, or you can add bias tape, whatever you'd like to do. I'm just leaving mine raw. Going to turn it right side out again. Be sure to press out all your corners. Have that nice boxy look. Now you can add your curling iron, your flat iron, your crimper. It's big enough to fit 2 or 3. Perfect for traveling. I hope you guys enjoyed this hot tool travel bag tutorial. If you did, be sure to like, follow, and share for more crafty content, and we'll see you next time.